In a bustling city where skyscrapers pierced the clouds, lived Dave, Leonard, Sophie, and Gerald. Each carried an armor of self-reliance, hiding their struggles behind confident exteriors. However, they were about to discover that vulnerability wasn't weakness, it was their greatest strength. Dave, a high-achieving architect, always had the answers but felt isolated at work. Leonard, a gym trainer, wore his strength like a badge, masking his struggles with self-doubt. Sophie, a chef, created culinary masterpieces but crumbled under the pressure of perfection. Gerald, a struggling artist, masked his fears behind a mask of humor. They often crossed paths at a quaint café, exchanging pleasantries but never going deeper. One stormy evening, the café owner, Mr. Gregg, announced a community project, creating a mural symbolizing unity. Despite their differences, the four volunteered. The task demanded collaboration, but their individual struggles surfaced. Dave hesitated to suggest ideas, fearing rejection. Leonard avoided sharing personal stories. Sophie shied away from feedback on her ideas, and Gerald deflected serious conversations with jokes. After a heated disagreement, Mr. Gregg intervened. "You're all holding back. Vulnerability is strength, not weakness. Trust each other." Dave admitted his fear of imperfection. Leonard confessed his insecurities. Sophie shared her anxiety about judgment, and Gerald revealed his fear of failure. Instead of judgment, they found empathy. Their openness transformed their dynamic. Dave brought vision to the mural, Leonard added strength to the team, Sophie infused creativity, and Gerald brought humor and bold ideas. The mural became a masterpiece, symbolizing the beauty of shared struggles and collective strength. The experience taught them that vulnerability didn't diminish them, it connected them. In embracing vulnerability, Dave found confidence in imperfection, Leonard discovered true strength in honesty, Sophie learned that sharing fears lessened their weight, and Gerald realized humor wasn't his only shield. The café mural became a city landmark, and the four became inseparable friends, champions of authenticity and connection. Vulnerability isn't a weakness, it's the bridge that connects us and the foundation of our greatest strengths. Please like, share and subscribe to the Life Reset channel. Bye.